Everyone, my name is Heba and welcome to my channel. I've got an unboxing for you guys and it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I think the last time was way back in November with the beauty advent calendars. There have been many beauty boxes and special edition boxes that has been launching, but I finally found one that I was really interested in. And this unboxing will be from Net-a-Porter, the Hero Skin Ingredients Kit. Net-a-Porter is out of the UK, so it does take a little over a week for it to get here. And as of today of filming this video, it's still available on their website. The Hero Skin Ingredients Kit costs $100 and you do get 8 products in here. Several of them are full size and they do come in a nice little zipper makeup bag. And the value of the products that are in here are over $450 by my estimation. So this is not a bad deal. So when I saw the products that were in this kit, I said, yeah, that's the one I'd like to get and do an unboxing, and maybe you might find this one to be something for you too. If not, no harm, no foul. I hope this video was entertaining for you. Let me first let you know about this kit. Our resident beauty experts have curated a collection of our most searched skincare ingredients covering a range of different areas of concerns to meet your ultimate skincare goals. Discover the game-changing formulas and ingredients from vitamin C to hyaluronic acid and more. So again, this costs $100 US and it does come in this nice gift box, which I do reuse for the holidays or for birthday presents. But let's go ahead and open this box. Let me go ahead and untie this. I like how they do it up. And then you open it up and it's packed in there nicely. And it's a nice sturdy box too. Really do like these boxes. I reuse them a lot. And here is what's inside this box. So here is the Hero Skin Ingredients Beauty Kit. It does come in a nice zippered makeup bag with Net-a-Porter written on it. And I already see one product that I've used and loved, and I'm glad it's in here. But let's go ahead and unzip this. Very sturdy zipper. And here's what this makeup bag looks like. Again, very sturdy. Looks like it comes with a card to let you know the products in here and what they're about. So let me go ahead and pull out the first product here, and this is by Lancer. Love that brand. I have many things from that brand. And this is the Retexturizing Treatment with 10% glycolic acid. Now let's go to the trusty card and read about this product. With glycolic acid to encourage cell turnover, this luxurious moisturizing cream helps minimize pores and even out skin tone and pigmentation. This sounds like right up my alley because I do have combo oily skin and I do have texture on my skin and pores. I haven't tried this from Lancer. I do have the omega-3 oil that I love. I love that one. And the Pore Perfecting Primer, another product that I love. You do get 1.7 ounce of product in here, and this alone costs $90. So pretty much this plus $10, everything else is free in this bag. And to let you know, is free shipping and no taxes. So this alone by itself, I think is worth it with this bag. Really do, because I'm excited to try this product. We're off to a good start. Now let's pull something else. This is by Dr. Barbara Sturm, and this is the aloe vera gel. Okay, Dr. Barbara Sturm does show up a lot in these beauty advent calendars and special edition boxes, but it's always the hyaluronic serum or the dewdrops. This is the first time I've tried or even seen the aloe vera gel. Let's read about this one. Using 100% organic aloe leaf juice plus antioxidants, this fresh gel can be used when and wherever skin needs soothing and hydrating, on sunburn or windburn, or even after waxing. That's interesting. So this will be something that will cool your skin, and heading into the summer months, I think this would be really great. And I'm due for a brow wax soon, so we'll try that out. So you do get 4.22 fluid ounce in here, and this one's priced at, let's see here, $70. Wow. All right, let's grab something small, which I've tried many times and really do like. This moisturizing cream is by Dr. Dennis Gross. All right, let's see. I can see it better now. It's a C+ collagen deep cream, and do love this moisturizing cream. It has a very nice texture and absorbs very nicely into the skin. Now, of course, this is a smaller size, so it's a little bit cheaper, but let's read about it in this card. This wonderfully textured cream is rich in vitamin C and perfect for any skin that requires extra nourishing and brightening. So you do get 15 mils of product, half an ounce. So this is priced at $23. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounce, and that costs $72. So about a third of the product in here, so that's about right. So a nice little sample of this product, really nice to travel with. Now let's pick up this box, and it's kind of wrapped in a plastic bag here. That's interesting, I guess, to protect it. This is by Sunday Riley, and it's the Luna Sleeping Night Oil, and I've tried this before, and it's really nice. This is cleverly formulated to include retinol to repair the skin and blue tansy to soothe inflammation. This overnight oil helps renew skin without any irritation or redness. And since this has blue tansy, this is great for acne-prone skin. Really do love this one. Another one, half an ounce of product in here, 15 mils, and this one costs $55. We're getting some good big ticket items here, except for this one, you know, the small travel size by Dr. Dennis Gross. It's still a good product nonetheless. So let's pull out this one by Tata Harper, and it's the clarifying mask. And I have tried this before. It's very nice. And Tata Harper is expensive. So let's read about you. This 100% natural face mask quickly calms and balances breakout skin with a blend of salicylic acid, AHAs, and hydrating lactic acid. You get 1 ounce of product, 30 mils, and this one's priced at $72. I mean, not bad, and we still have 3 more products left in here. Let's go to this one by Pay, and it's the All Becomes Clear. So the full name is All Becomes Clear Heba, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and Zinc Blemish Serum. Ooh, I like that. This natural and lightweight serum rebalances oilier skin and leaves it feeling comfortable, calm, and beautifully hydrated. Okay, again, this is 1 ounce of product, 30 mils, and let me see how much this one comes out to be, $69. Wow. After I pull everything out, I'm going to do a tally of how much this bag cost, and it's getting up there. Next, we have something from You Beauty, and I've tried many things from them, but not this one. This is the Super Hydrator. With a blend of 5 types of hyaluronic acid, this beautifully textured lotion leaves any skin plumped up and truly glowing. That sounds interesting too. So let's see. You do get 15 mils of product, which is half an ounce, and this half ounce product costs $68. There is a full size, which is 1.7, and that's $168. So half an ounce, $68. Wow, you better do good. And the last product that we have here is by Algenist, and it's the Algae Niacinamide Moisture Veil, and I love niacinamide. So I can see all the ingredients in this kit. Very sought after. Let's read about this one. A great multitasker with algae to balance and brighten and niacinamide to treat pigmentation and help balance oil. It's also incredibly hydrating. And Algenist does have great products. And I'm really excited about this one, especially with niacinamide. So you do get 1.7 ounce in here, 50 mils of product, and this one costs $65. We've got a lot of products in here that are way up there in price. So let me go ahead and show you this makeup cube. While it's empty, it's see-through all the way around, and it's very sturdy. I do have, I think, 2 of these, and I use them all the time to travel with. Okay, so let me go ahead and tally everything up, and I'll let you know how much this bag is worth. I added it many times to make sure. So the 8 products in here minus the bag. 8 products in this bag cost $512. There is the total. And you're getting it for $100, free shipping, and no tax. I guess the tax is depending on where you live. But yeah, that's not a bad deal. And you're getting great products in here. Now the bag, I remember the last time I opened this one up, it was over a year ago. This bag, I think, retailed for about $25. So let's include this because that's a really nice bag. So now we're up to $537 for this beauty kit. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested, and so far it's still available. I'm surprised because they usually sell out with these beauty kits really quick. They did have another one early in the year, and I believe that one's still available. Yes. And that one's called the Doctor's Beauty Kit. And I'll put a picture of what that one looks like. But with that one, those products didn't interest me that much. But when this one, the Hero Skin Ingredients Kit, yeah, I picked that one real quick. But it seems like it's still available. And hopefully it will be too by the time this video goes up. Well, alright you guys, I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Net-a-Porter Hero Skin Ingredients Kit. And I should say this is a nice one. This is a nice one. That's just my opinion alone, because I do love the products that are in here. And there's probably 2 that I've tried. No, 3. The one by Dr. Dennis Gross, I've tried the one by Tata Harper, and the Sunday Riley Luna Oil. All the other 5 products I haven't tried before, so that's really nice. That's really nice. And I just realized this, that there are no cleansers, because usually there is a full-size cleanser in some of these beauty boxes that's kind of like a big filler that makes it look like it's more product and it's a full size, and usually cleansers don't cost that much. There's not a cleanser in this kit. There are a lot of great products in here with great ingredients in this kit, and the kit itself, the little travel cube. So yeah, I'm glad I got this kit because I think it's well worth it. For $100, you do get 8 products, 9 products, including the bag, for over $500. Not bad. $512 for the products, With the bag, $537. Not bad at all. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.